Hi guys, Craig Dove here for Marketing Tools for Your Online Business, and welcome to my Superstar Cash Rain review. Now, here we are in the members area of Superstar Cash Rain, and we'll be doing a walkthrough of this new product by Phil Johansen that goes live May 19th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, in short, what Super Cash Rain is, it teaches you how to make ad revenue from YouTube videos. Now, you don't have to put your face on there or your voice or anything, but he shows you how to work that out and still make quite a bit of money. So, if that sounds like something you might be interested in, stick with me and we'll be going through this, okay? Now, I've put together some bonuses that I feel will help you get the most out of Cash Rain. All right, so let's go check that out. All right. Now, the first bonus is learn how to rank your YouTube videos on page 1 in 2020. Okay. And the next one is a little hack I found, how to get a secret to make an extra $300 a day. Okay. That's teach you how to do that. We can always use more money. All right. And hack number 3 is hack your way to making $100 a day on Reddit. And number 4 is learn how to get YouTube traffic fast. The more traffic you have, the more videos, the more your videos will be watched, the more money you'll make. Okay, so check that out. And number 5 is the bonus locker. So that's all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you. Okay, which would be the Profit Factory, the clones, and the lost code. So, and if anytime you would like to get Superstar Cash Rain, just click the link in the bottom of the description in this video, come to any of these yellow buttons and click there to purchase Superstar Cash Rain. Now, when you purchase and you go to get your bonuses, let me get down here. All right. You go into your receipt after you purchase and you'll see these little blue buttons that says Access Affiliate Bonuses right there. And that's where you pick up your bonuses, okay? And now the vendor bonuses will be in the members area. So, all right, let's get rid of that. All right, oh, wrong way, sorry. So now you click any of these yellow buttons and it'll take you over to the sales page. And this is, I dedicated a year of my life in the basement to discover this $200 a day in 12 minutes or less. All right. And now I'm passing it on to you. Okay. This is the members area. And there's a video you can watch of Phil. And there's some income proof down there somewhere. I'll let you read through this at your own time. There's estimated revenue. There's some more down there. And you can take your time and read through this. But once you purchase this, click right here and go to purchase it, then you're back to the members area now, okay? First thing we've got is to watch this video first. So this is he's talking to you and explaining what you have to do. And we've got setup right here, how to set up. Oh, this is mindset and setup. Okay, and then we've got the main training right here. Overview of Superstar Cash Rain, picking your niche, okay, your channel setup, picking your videos, merging your videos, uploading in the description, and this is title, description, and tags with 10 times the speed, how to create your thumbnail for free, okay, how to do all of this in 12 minutes or less. That's a good one, 12 minutes or less. Okay, wrapping it up. All right, then we've got ranking like a superstar, very important, and how to rank your videos, okay? Then we've got how to scale it up. Once you start making it up, how to scale it up like a superstar. Then we've got the resources, all the resources that you're going to need, and nothing's going to cost you any money, but if you want it to work faster, there's a couple things in there you could buy, but you really don't need to if you don't want to, okay? And then we've got the upsells, which we'll go over if you haven't purchased them already, and how to contact him to get the upsells. And then we've got the bonuses that I was telling you about right there. The Profit Factory, the clones, and the lost code. We got those right there. And then to contact him right there. There you go. Okay. All right. And it's not. Oh, and he does you can register for a live webinar where you can walk through and ask questions and get advice if you'd like to. Okay. Now let's go on back over to my bonus page. Okay. Now for the front end of Superstar Cash Rain, it's going to be $12.95. Okay. Access the powerful Superstar Cash Rain software and training modules. Okay. Step-by-step training course that reveals how a customer can steal viral YouTube videos and make them on your own without copyright issues. Okay. So you can read the rest of that. All right. Number 2 is the pro version at $37, but it has a $27, down sales to $27. So saves you $10. I will just show you exactly how you can not only scale up 5 times, but 10 times or 20 times or even more with zero effort. Okay. He's going to show you how to scale it up. Okay. Then we've got license rights at $147, but they have a down sale for $97. So just click at the bottom that you don't want it, and then it'll pop up $97. That saves you quite a bit. All right, Steel Superstars Cash Reigns. Okay, you can sell it as your own product and get 100% of the revenue. Okay, all right, and this is done for you. $97, but a $47 down sale. So I will do 3 done for you videos worth. Okay. You can pick the niche and I will go and do them. I'll write the headlines, descriptions, and tags. This will help you get the best possible start with your new passive cash rain machine. Okay. So, and then we've got mastermind coaching at $197, but they've got a down sale, which will save you $100, so it'll be $97. One-on-one coaching via live call, 1 hour and additional training to answer questions, check progress, get access to brand new methods to increase income, and enjoy the one-on-one support that you need to ensure success with Superstar Cash Rain. Okay. All right. Well, that's it. But let me mention one thing that I always try to mention, and he mentions this in the training, that this is a good product, but none of it will work if you do not put the effort in. Okay. Most people who have done this, it's not a one and done thing. You have to be consistent. Don't just put it on the shelf and leave it. Okay. You get in there and you do your 12 minutes every day, and eventually you will start to make money. So I hope you purchase Cash Rain, Superstar Cash Rain, and I hope it works for you. So thank you for watching my Superstar Cash Rain video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.